Hey, welcome to Corbellic Studios. I'm Corbellic. Today we're going to be doing a profile of a horse. I love doing horse paintings because there's just so many different ways you could go about it. There's so many different color hues that you can do, and they're just so majestical. They're so beautiful, but eBay loves them. That's the real reason why I do it. I can say anything that I want to say about all these paintings that I create, but the real reason that I love creating the ones that I do is because I know throughout the years the ones that I tend up choosing, they're very high in the trending SEO that people love in the marketplace, and they're successful no matter how you want to go about it. The lottery ticket effect is a lot higher when it comes to doing horses. People are going to go with it. People love it. They're going to hang it anywhere in their house. So that's just a quick gem right there that you can learn for yourself. Horses, they do well. So we're just going to have fun with this one, and we're just going to work it fast and get on to the next painting. We treat this like a game. We're in, we're out, we're on to the next painting. I'm already thinking about the next painting. I don't know what it's going to be, but that's how I work on here. And you know what, let's just say to ourselves, let's make the ugliest painting right now. Let's just make an ugly painting. Who cares? We're here together. If I can do it, you can do it. We're working off the projector, so how bad can it actually be? It's not going to be that bad, but who knows? All right, whatever it's going to be, it doesn't matter anyways. We're going to list it and it's going to sell. So that's the cool part. You want to learn how you can do this for yourself, how all of your paintings can sell. Click the link below. Join us in the free eBay art community where we're going to have Sunday Q&A mastermind meetings, and I'll see you there. Come on. This is our horse, but let's do the background color first. You know how I like to do it. Do the background color so that way it just gives our canvas a little bit more tooth. And this one I'm going to do blue, just at the top maybe, and then some white at the bottom. Look, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Then put some yellow or gold in there. I don't know. It doesn't matter. You can't go wrong with whatever color that you choose. Look, we can leave it just like this. Look, and we will. We're just going to leave it just like this. Boom. All right. So now that we have that dried off, I'm just going to go in with the darker colors, like a darker brown and a black. Instead of just like a black outline, I'm going to go in with a darker brown. Like this. And look at this. Let's do it like underneath like this. And then let's do like a purple. Something different. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. We're just showing up, right? And then let's go in with this cream color. Just large, bold strokes. And let's do the gold. Something different. Look at that. When it comes to horses, I've done so many of them. The cool thing is it doesn't matter how you paint them. They'll always sell. People love horses. There's no right or wrong when it comes to it. So every time that I do a painting of a horse, I'm always finding different ways to do it. I'm always having a new method or a new approach to it. Look at this. That's always so cool. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong when it comes to horses. I don't think anything about it. I mean, I don't think anything about any of the paintings, obviously, that you know that. But when it comes to horses, it's like I'm done and done. I think in some of my other videos, I was trying to like make some videos longer than what they needed to be for, I don't know, video's sake, but not really, because I need to, even me, I had to correct myself in whatever I'm doing, not just with painting, but even with videos, because I'm not trying to be a content creator. That's not why I did this. I didn't do this so I could be like some YouTube creator. I did this to talk about my coaching and how I can help other people to make money, and they can do this for themselves. Anybody can do this. But even myself, there's some videos where it's like I'll get caught up into trying to make a long video where I'm just talking instead of getting done with the painting how I normally do. Because I know if I didn't have the camera with me, right? Like if I wasn't being recorded, a lot of the paintings that we do together, I would already be done with it. And then I look back and I'm like, why are you still hot dogging it and talking? It's like you're trying to be a content creator instead of just getting the painting done, because you know that's how you would do it. So let's just do that. Let's get done with the paintings so you could be inspired by that as well. And we still have plenty of other videos. Like we have a next one. Like it doesn't stop. Like I could shoot more videos this way, but we're just getting done with it. I'll play Dr. Phil on other videos. we need to get this done, because one of the challenges that I'm seeing that people are having is loosening up still and freeing themselves, and they're like, I'm just having a problem of letting go. So I need to show how I let go. Lead by example is the best coaching. I'm never going to be one of these guru coaches where, all right, battery died for a minute there, but what I was saying, I'm not going to be one of those coaches where they talk about helping people, but they never really show through their actions of how or what their expertise are. Their expertise is them talking, and anybody could do that. In comparison to us actually showing up and doing the work, that's what's important. So that's what we're doing. And look, we can turn the light on this one. And I'm going to do a pink outline. I love doing these outlines. And that's that. I'm just going to keep it simple. And that's what it is. And on to the next one. On to the next one, on to the next video. Look, we do it that simple. There's our horse right there. So beautiful. We did this together. If you want to learn how you can do this yourself, how you can flip this on eBay, you can start making money as early as next week. Join us for the Mastermind Q&A this Sunday. Click the link below and I'm going to see you in there.